Are you listening?
Question. How do you stay married to a guy who snores like a freight train?
Yeah.
I think it should be like a renewed contract, like a lease. Like every 5 years you renegotiate your terms. Brad has slept in another room for about 8 years.
Yeah.
Does it not make you homicidal when that happens?
Homicidal is not a strong enough word. Violently homicidal. Angry. We've done breathe right strips,
Those
mouth
don't work.
guards, no. 2 pillows.
The mouth guard does work. My mom
Not
got that.
at our house.
But I will say that the essential oils do
No, they don't.
Well, they kind of work.
We've gone through 3 new beds. Now we're on the Tempur-Pedic bed. We're tired because they're not sleeping because they're snoring.
And you keep waking them up.
I know.
You don't get any sleep, so you're mad.
I hate you!
Yeah.